Hi, this is Sean, and today I'm doing a video, and the dog is out. What color? Baby! Sorry, we gotta move the camera to the doggy. Oh. This is the dog. Puppy, stay. Ah. Puppy! She growls. Come on, puppers, you gonna come. It's for a good reason. So, here's my dog, Rory. And the other day she threw up. She might have to go to the doggy vet. And we just ate some pizza and sorry, she's a little bit of a camera hater.